Wrong way. What? Really? Why so tiny? Why stuck? Thank you, wood, for being easier to handle than that piece of shit metal. Let's... Where do I put this shit? Wanna come with me? Oh, it's gonna be uncomfortable. Can you move, please? Thank you. Thank you for the pine needles in the pants. That was perfect. Ah! Why? And okay, well, I love you too. Donald. Okay, I was just being too careful. I don't want to break anything, and I don't want to drop anything on myself. See? My body has strength now that it didn't have before, and I don't exactly know how much it takes to injure myself because I don't always feel it, and I like my hands the way they are, you know, like not covered in blood and wounds that will later throb, and so I'm careful. I also don't want to break shit. I've been breaking shit too. The fuck? Aw, something is breaking you too, buddy. Oh no. Can you sit there without falling, without falling, without falling? The fuck? Without falling. Without falling. Oh well. Can I one-hand this fucker? Maybe. That's what he asked. The answer is yes, because most men are pros at their own meat. I can! Muscles, muscles, muscles! Awkward. Awkward as fuck. Awkward as fuck. I wonder. Yeah! Husband. Oh, well, I can do it. I need a camera that is not my phone, I think, so that I could have a tripod, or maybe a tripod from my phone. I don't fucking know. I need something with a tripod so I don't have to carry this shit and get it caught in the lawn Was I taking video of the top of my head? Who knows? Who knows? I ain't fucking looking at it. I like the one take better, because then I can talk to the camera. But at the same time, I don't want to have to talk all the time. So we'll see what I'm doing. Wrong way, fall the other way. Thank you. Better. Now what am I doing? Moving chicken jail back here. And they've mowed the lawn, so we don't have to worry about being in their way or anything. Oh, he missed a couple spots. It's okay. Oh, I found more pine needles in my pants. Pine needle in my pants. I am moving all of this stuff. I'm moving chicken jail, the whole thing. And I'm moving this box, and I'm moving that piece of fence. And I'm taking out the piece of chicken fencing that's in there that's attached to the tree. I think it goes all the way across, but I think maybe we put two, I'm not sure. I'm going to disassemble that, and I'm going to use this all the way to the tree. I just took video of myself, like, part way in there. I should be able to do it. Oh, I love this one. I'll give you a feel. Oh no, I can't reach my phone. Fickety fuckety big black truckety. Ah. Ha! I'll just move all of chicken jail to get my phone, and you can hear me. Being a strong badass. I gotta pry this fucker from underneath the ground because I buried it a little bit, and then there's roots that are holding down the wood. It's packed in there real good. Oh, good. Ooh, that side moved. There we go. Come on, asshole. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Woo! Okay, I think I'm gonna rock it back the other way and then topple the fucker over. Because then I'll be able to grab my phone. Oh. Here we go. Yay! That fucker's not quite as solid as I had hoped. Now it feels like I have a sliver. Owie! What the hell? Oh, hello! So I had to move the way. Haha. Yeah, so it was buried. It was buried real good over there. Yep, this is how you keep chickens safe, hey? You bury part of their coop, that way it's harder to get in. They have time to freak out. So, I think maybe I have a place to... Fuck's sake, that's a... Buddy, you look juicy. Like if I was to crack into that carapace, nom ya, you'd be... Yum. Okay, hey. Can you see me? Nope. What is this? Yeah. Any man of mine better be fired up. Probably still better love me. I could be late for a date, that's fine, but he better be on time. Still better love me. I can be late for a date, that's fine, but he better be on time. I'll say it fits just right when last year's dress is just a little too tight. And anything I do is say that'll be okay when I have a bad hair day. If I change
always looking better than me. And when I cook dinner and I burn it, like you better say, I like it like that, yeah. But if I change my mind a million times, I wanna hear him say, yeah, 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 I like it that way. Dirty man of mine, better walk the line. Better show me a teasing, squeezing, blazing kind of time. I need a man who knows.
Bye-bye, rhododendron. That cost me $2. That was probably dead. That totally died almost immediately. Oh. Boger, you better not be chasing birds. Boger! Hi! Don't be chasing birds, asshole. Boger! Come here, kitty. Don't you be cussing at me. Ow. Wiener Schnitzel?
Well, the men come in these places.
Get the rodents, not this.
And the men are all the same. You don't look at their faces.
I just saw birds fly.
Ask their names.
Like I might have interrupted him enough.
You keep your mind on the money. Keeping your
Alright.
eyes on the wall. And your private dancer.
So here's the thing. The fucker totally attached the fence all the way inside to the very bottom. So then whenever I filled it with dirt, there was no way to take the fence off. And I'm not there's perennials in there. I'm not uprooting them. They're doing fine. So I have to move the entire thing. Guess what? Today is full body fucking workout day. Yeah, it is.
Have a husband and some children. Yeah, I guess I want a family. All the men come.
The song is really applicable. Because I do that in my spare time. I only do it for very specific people though, so if you show me your morals, I might decide to be like, hey, this is a thing that I do. If you'd like to buy a private dance from me, you let me know, buddy. Show me your fucking morals.
All the men come in these places, and the men are all the same. You don't look at their faces, and you don't ask their names. You don't think of them as human. You don't think of them at all. You keep your mind on the money, keeping your eyes on the wall. I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money. Do what you want me to do. I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money, and any old music will do. I wanna make $1 million. I wanna live by the sea, have a husband and some children. Yeah, I guess I want a family. All the men come in these places, and the men are all the same. You don't look in their faces, and you don't ask their name. I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money. Do what you want me to do. I'm your private dancer, a dancer for money, and any old music will do.
Hello. So if I move that by myself, which I am capable of, this part here is going to actually break. It pivots here. Pivot! Not in a good way. So I'm going to have to recruit my boy, who is not really able, you know. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, and it's really early in the morning. He came out for a puff, but I think he might be going back to sleep, and he should, because he's been having insomnia. Butterfly! And I can't take video of it because it went too fast, and because there'd be landmarks.